street, and the funniest thing happened. It was so. Oh,
And he's still chewing on the
I'm
candle.
talking tired. This is rough. Rough life I got
He's
going.
gonna get comfy.
Oh. Great.
He's gonna bob his head. Oh
You could see him getting right? Oh
no.
yeah.
You should do that. That is priceless.
There's just been too many cool things today. Whoa.
Have you ever felt like that during a seminar or during a lecture in college?
Totally. I hope it wasn't that obvious. This is what happens when Jackson misses his nap.
Oh no, he's gonna bob.
He'll be okay.
Finally.
Better keep on, please.
Oh, we did? On the bowl?
She moved on.
Oh, sweetie, sweetie.
Let me get it.